Hey guys, Scott from Performance. We're just going to talk to you a little bit today about our stage 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 kits for the Am X3. Stage 1, 2 and 3 obviously fit the OEM housing, the OEM case, and we've got options and upgrades to increase those. The stage 4 and 5 kits are our billet differentials with the much bigger ring gear and much bigger pinion. All of our kits allow you to run rear axles in the front of your Can-Am, and that's probably the biggest difference that you'll realise, is being able to run the rear axles in the front of your X3. Okay, so let's talk about stage 1. Stage 1 is a spool that we put into the factory case using the factory cover plates. It is a spool that replaces the smart lock internals, and it locks your left and right wheels 100% of the time. Our stage 1 kit consists of a chromoly 4140 billet spool. It allows you to run the rear axles in the front of your Can-Am. It uses the standard Can-Am bearings and the standard Can-Am case and the standard Can-Am end covers. So you just pull your smart lock apart, pull out the internals, change your ring gear, use the original bearings, put it back in. It comes with new seals so you can run the bigger axles in the front of your Can-Am. Our stage 2 kit comes with billet aluminium side covers for both the left and the right side of the diff, and we've replaced the bearings on either side of the case with much larger taper roller bearings. One of the main issues with the Can-Am OEM cover is this tiny little bearing that sits in the middle of the diff. Unfortunately, one bearing's in the middle of the diff and the other bearing's right here, and a lot of the smart lock component is under a lot of stress because it's not contained at both ends. Our stage 2 and stage 3 kits come with brand new side covers that go on the diff, and we have taper roller bearings that sit right up in the side cover here. And the taper roller bearings are much further apart, which gives the carrier a lot more stability compared to having a bearing in the middle of the diff and a small bearing on the outside. Further apart, bigger bearings, billet side covers, stage 2 and 3, absolutely incredible difference in strength, rigidity compared to the traditional OEM case. So our stage 2 kits and the stage 3 kits come with a little extra feature we've added, very common in trophy trucks and drag racing. It's called a load bolt. And this load bolt sits on the side of the ring gear, and you can screw it down, lock it down, it just rubs against the ring gear, and when your diff experiences a very large shock load, the gears try to separate, the ring gear tries to move away from the pinion, the load bolt holds it in place and stops it deflecting, stops the teeth exploding. At the end of every race you can tighten up the load bolt just so it rubs against the back of the pinion. They're made of a brass bronze material, so they are designed to wear away over time, so we have lots of the load bolts ready for you guys to replace as required. Okay, looking at the stage 2 and stage 3 kits, obviously we use these massive taper roller bearings compared to the standard bearing that comes in the Can-Am diff. One thing about the bearings, let's look at the difference. 11 kilonewton rated versus 89 kilonewtons. So there's an 800% increase in just the strength of the bearings. But what's interesting is the original bearing sits pretty much in the middle of the diff with the second bearing out here. And in the stage 2 and 3 kits with these billet covers, when we put them on, you can see the bearings sit much, much further apart, which increases the distance by 220%. So we're talking about a rigidity increase of 17 times. That's 17 times stronger, 1,700% stronger in rigidity than running this bearing and this bearing very close together. Bearings further apart, much bigger bearings, 17 times stronger, guys. Our stage 2 and 3 kits, probably the best way you can stop your ring gear moving around and to stop those gears exploding. So we talked about the stage 2 kit having billet side covers. We have the spool that takes the rear axles, much bigger axles, lower cost axles, much bigger bearings, bigger separation. Now the stage 3 kit. The stage 3 kit, we simply add our pinion saver, which adds a third bearing onto the pinion, and that pinion saver bolts directly into the front of your OEM housing. And as per our previous videos in the pinion saver, running a third bearing separates the bearings further apart, gives it more rigidity. We increase the pinion support by 600%. So we're talking about 17 times stronger bearing support here and 6 times stronger bearing support here. So the stage 2 kit gives you much more ring gear stability. The stage 3 kit adds the pinion support stability. Incredible stability in an OEM diff. The next stage up, our stage 4. Now, if you haven't seen our stage 4 and 5 billet kits, here they are here. So our stage 4 and stage 5 kits, stage 4 is a spool, stage 5 is the automatic locker. These are a monster diff. You can see the size difference between the OEM cast case versus our stage 4 and 5. You can see the pinion difference here. There's the OEM pinion with this tiny little bearing, and there's our bearing surface there. So the bearings are massive, the pinions are massive, the case is big, the ring gear is big. Everything about the stage 4 and 5 is just huge improvement over anything we can do in stage 2 and 3. Stage 2 and 3, awesome product if that's your budget. If you really want to fix the problem, go to a stage 4 or 5. The stage 4 is fully locked all the time. It has a spool, very much like the stage 2 and 3. The left and right axles fully locked all the time. King of Hammers, Mud Racing, those guys love a spool. If you want to have an automatic locker, the stage 5 is coming out in July 2024, and that'll automatically unlock when you back off the gas, and as soon as you put on the gas, it locks back up again. So recap, stage 1 is basically installing the spool using the standard bearings. Stage 2, we provide the left and right billet plates with those massive taper roller bearings, 17 times more rigidity. Stage 3, we add the pinion saver, which holds that pinion 6 times stronger than the factory. Stage 4, our billet diff with the bigger pinion, bigger ring gear, bigger bearings, with a spool, locked of course. And then stage 5 being the automatic locking version. So stage 1, 2 and 3, guys, it's fully locked all the time. Takes the rear axles, keeps your axle cost down, but it is fully locked all the time. If you want an automatic locking version, you need to head to our bigger diff, which will be available in July. I hope that answered everyone's questions about the diffs and the upgrades we have available, and we'll keep in touch. Thanks, guys.